Monster Digital Agency. This is Google Ads tutorial for beginners, day one. In this tutorial, we are going to expound right from the basic every detail regarding Google Ad advertising. And this tutorial is targeted to beginners, people who want to learn the fundamentals of Google Ads and get themselves nurtured from beginning till the end. This is the one of these tutorials, and we hope to continually update these tutorials from day one to day two until the last tutorial, which we hope to expand from this basic level up to the expert level. So what you just need to do is to keep following, subscribe to our channels so that you get a notification each time we upload a new series of this class. So let's begin. Today we are just going to start talking about basic concepts. The basic concept show you the interface of Google Ads advertising. If you must know, the first thing you have to do is to sign. For you to have a practical knowledge and follow this tutorial, the first thing you need to do is to sign up for Google Ads. It's very, very simple. If you have your Gmail Google account, what you need to do is just to go to ads.google. Look at the address here, ads.google. When you go to ads.google, you sign up for Google Ads. At a certain stage in the second phase of day two of this tutorial, we will be taking you on how to do Google Ads setup, and that will cover in totality of how to set up Google Ads account. So today we just want to introduce you on the interface. What is Google Ads? Now, Google Ads is Google application that is dedicated to advertisers to showcase their product and services. And if you the target is to meet people who are searching and browsing on Google network. If you want to sell your product, if you want to market your services, like you own a salon, you own a barber shop, that is service based, and you want people to contact you, Google Ads is the best place for you. Or you are selling online product like clothing brands, computers, and the rest of them. That means you own an e-commerce shop. Now, Google Ads is the best place for you to create ads. Now, the aim of this tutorial is not just for personality who want to sell their personal product. No, I am a digital marketing specialist, and if you look, this is Monster Digital Agency. We run an agency where we manage other people's clients' accounts. So this venture is to train you to get knowledge on how to set up Google Ad advertising, optimize it, and for other people, or if you already have a business and you want to advertise for yourself, you can. You make a lot of money creating ads, advertising ads, and managing PPC advertising for people. Okay, today we are going to just walk you through on the interface. This is overview. You can see my cursor moving. This is the overview of Google Ads. Now, if you are logged in and you have account set up, this is the interface you are going to see. This is the recent updated Google Ad interface. So the first thing you see when you look at the right here or the default interface, you see this plus. This plus sign say create. That is if you want to create campaign. Don't worry. As we continue running this class, you know what is campaign, how to create campaign. Then another thing you will look at is the account, because this is my MCC, that is manager account. If I click here, you will see a lot of account that I am managing. Now, after the account, you see campaign. Just as I said, the campaign is where you want to set up the advertising to target your business or target audiences, people who will patronize your business. You create campaign. Now, the goals. These are goals is the objective of your business. What do you want to measure in your advertising when you are in Google Ads. For example, if somebody is selling a cloth, he would like to measure the amount of goods people purchased through the ads. So that is one good thing about Google Ads. You'll be able to know how much you spend and how much you are able to derive. So in goals, you measure it. Or if you are, just as I said, you own a salon shop and you want people to call you and you give them direction to your shop. So the goal will help you to measure how many number of people or how many phone calls you receive through your business ad, or how many forms filling. Then the tools has a lot of applications. When we go in details, the tools is what you use to work, just like your tool set. If you look at it's like a spanner sign, it means it's a tool set. Just like imagine the tools like you own a shop or a carpenter or a mechanic has toolbox. Inside the toolbox there are a lot of things. So inside these tools, you have a lot of things like keyword planner. We'll go into details. The keyword planner, you have the audience. Audience is the people that you are to reach. You have the reach planner where you want to measure text how when you create something like a video ad, how many people that you can cover. You use it. We also have shared platform like negative keywords and the rest of them. Don't worry about this. This tutorial will cover all these things and the next stage. So this is just to introduce you so that when you see this interface, you will not say, oh, what is it? Then the billing, the billing is when you set up a Google Ads advertising, which we'll handle in the next class, how to set up a Google advertising. 2025, of course, we want to make sure that we goes with the current trends, what is happening. Now the billing is a must because Google has to take a charge. You have to pay. That is why Google Ad is part of what we call PPC channel, which is pay per click. People go to click, and when they click, you the advertisers will pay. So if you are running advert for yourself, you pay. If you are running advert for your company, for clients pay. Then this is admin. Admin, just as I see, houses. Under admin, you see a lot of things, the users, access, and the rest of them. Then, if you look at here, this is overview. This overview, when you look at it, it will show you overview of what has happened under the Google Ads that you are managing. Now, recommendation. When we talk about a recommendation interface, the recommendation is when you've started running your ad, as you can see in this series of classes that will follow. The recommendation is what Google automation tool will help you to bring suggestion what you need to do. So Google itself has an assistant, AI Essential. It will help you to tell you, oh, this is the change you need to do. This is what you need to do so that your Google advertising will work well. Now, and this, of course, will need your input. It's not just that when Google recommends, you say you swallow them hook, line, and sinker. No, you have to take a decision. So after that, you have insight and report. Insight and report, just as it said, insight and report is where you see tools to get deep insight into the Google Ads metrics data. Now you've started running ad and you want to know what is actually happening. The insight and report tools will help you to dive deep into knowing what is expected, what you need to do. Are you getting results? Are you not? Campaign, I've said it, campaign is the major thing. When you create advertising, you will run. The campaign consists of so many types. You have search campaign, you have display campaign, you have video campaign. Maybe you'll be browsing on pages of newspaper online, like online platform that you see some ad that will pop up, some may be video, some may be in text form, some may be, or you are browsing on Google, you'll type something, maybe you'll try to search for a product, or you say the women clothing brand, you see a lot of pop-ups. These pop-up, those of them that have sponsors are actually Google ads, and they are created by PPC specialists, which you will soon become. So another thing is asset. Asset consists of components of your ads, like it consists of the image that you used to create the ad. It consists of extension, like when we dive deep, we talk about call extension, image extension, call out extension. Everything that you use to garnish your ad are referred to as assets. Then another important thing that you have to note here is audience, keyword, and content. Under audiences are the people that you want to target. When you create ad, you wouldn't like to target everybody. Maybe you depending, for example, you are running a shop for women. You are running a shop for you want to get for example female salon, and you just want to basically uh, your shop are for female. Now that is your audience. Another thing, look at the age. Are you doing hair for children? Some people might run an exclusive shop that doesn't cover children, maybe from age to 12. Under audience, you set that. You said, okay, I want to target people of the age 1 to 2, or people of the age 18 years and above. That is that. Then campaign history help you to know changes that you have made, that is change history, who made it, and some and the rest of that. So this is an introduction of the overview of the new Google Ad interface. This is where we'll keep it brief now. In the next series of our class, we are going to start setting up Google Ads, how to set up Google Ads, and we will be expanding these tools in details. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe so that hit the subscription button in our channel so that you get notification whenever our next class is uploaded. Thank you.